Hello, and welcome to this space of quiet reflection. Today, we will gently practice the art of self-compassion. We will learn to offer ourselves the same kindness we so readily give to others. There is nothing you need to do. There is nowhere you need to be, other than right here. Let's begin by finding a position that feels comfortable and supportive for you. You can be sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or you can be resting on a cushion. Allow your spine to be upright, but not stiff. Let your hands rest gently in your lap or on your knees. When you feel ready, allow your eyes to softly close, or lower your gaze to a soft focus on the floor in front of you. Let's start by bringing our awareness to the breath. Simply notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, the gentle rise of your chest and belly on the inhale, and the soft release on the exhale. There's no need to change your breath. Just allow it to be your anchor to this present moment. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Notice the points of contact, your body against the chair, your feet on the floor. Feel the gentle pull of gravity holding you here. If you notice any areas of tension, perhaps in your jaw, your shoulders, or your brow, just simply notice them. On your next exhale, imagine a wave of softness washing over those areas, inviting them to release. You do not need to force anything, just a gentle invitation to soften. Now, I invite you to call to mind a time recently when you felt a mild challenge, a moment of difficulty or stress. Perhaps a time you felt you made a mistake. Choose something that is not overwhelming, just a moment of human imperfection. See if you can simply acknowledge this feeling without judgment. As you hold this situation gently in your awareness, notice what it feels like in your body. Is there a tightness in your chest? A knot in your stomach? Just observe with curiosity. This is mindfulness, simply noticing what is here. Next, I invite you to silently repeat this phrase to yourself. Recognize the shared human experience in this feeling. This is a moment of suffering. Or you can say, this is difficult right now. This is common humanity. You are not alone in this feeling. It is part of being human. Now, let's bring in the practice of self-kindness. I invite you to place a hand gently over your heart, or perhaps one hand on your cheek. This is a gesture of soothing comfort. Feel the warmth of your hand on your skin. And now, offer yourself a few phrases of compassion. Silently, in your own mind, repeat these words. Let them land softly within you. May I be kind to myself. May I accept myself just as I am in this moment. May I give myself the compassion that I need. Continue to breathe, breathing in and breathing out, letting these words be held in the rhythm of your breath. If your mind wanders, that is okay. That is what minds do. Gently guide your attention back to the feeling of your hand on your body and the echo of these kind words. May I be kind to myself. Allow the feeling of warmth and gentleness to remain. Know that this kindness is a resource that is always available to you. It is a wellspring within that you can return to at any time. As this meditation comes to a close, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Notice the air on your skin. Listen to the sounds in the room. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you feel ready, slowly and in your own time, allow your eyes to open. Carry this sense of gentle awareness with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for giving yourself this gift of compassion.